8 differences between alpha male and sigma male-female relationships. In the intricate dance of human connection, where shadows play against the stark light of day, there exist individuals who navigate the complexities of relationships with a unique blend of strength, independence, and introspection. These are the alpha males and sigma personalities, each moving through the social landscape with distinct rhythms and motives. Their interactions, often charged with an electric tension, unfold like a mystery waiting to be unraveled. What happens when the assertive force of an alpha male converges with the enigmatic depth of a sigma personality? This exploration delves into the heart of such relationships, uncovering the nuanced dynamics that define and differentiate them. As we embark on this journey, let us peel back the layers of the unknown, discovering the essence of alpha and sigma connections. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to approach, date, and seduce women, check the link in the description. It's the best comprehensive guide out there. Going back to the video. 1. Leadership dynamics. Alpha males often embody the archetype of the leader within a relationship, naturally taking charge and making decisions. This inclination towards leadership stems from a combination of confidence, assertiveness, and a protective nature. They are drawn to partners who appreciate their decisiveness and ability to provide direction. Conversely, sigma personalities, both male and female, prize their independence and autonomy. They are less likely to conform to traditional relationship hierarchies and prefer a partnership where decisions are made collaboratively. Sigmas value their freedom to navigate life on their own terms, often leading to a dynamic where leadership is fluid and situational rather than fixed. The alpha's challenge is to respect the sigma's autonomy, while the sigma must find comfort in the alpha's leadership moments. This balance ensures that both partners feel valued and respected in their strengths. 2. Social engagement. Social engagement highlights another area of contrast. Alpha males are typically more extroverted, enjoying the spotlight and thriving in social situations where they can lead and influence. Their relationships often reflect this, with a tendency to be seen and recognized in social settings. Sigma personalities, on the other hand, exhibit a preference for solitude or small, meaningful gatherings. They engage in social activities selectively, prioritizing genuine connections over breadth of social interaction. In relationships, this can lead to differences in how social activities are approached and enjoyed. Successful navigation of this aspect involves finding a balance that respects both partners' preferences, perhaps blending quiet, intimate settings with more dynamic social engagements. 3. Approach to conflict. Alpha males and sigma personalities approach conflict in markedly different ways. Alphas are more likely to address issues directly and seek immediate resolutions, seeing conflicts as challenges to be conquered. Their direct approach can sometimes overshadow the nuanced perspectives of their partners. Sigmas, with their contemplative nature, prefer to take time to process conflicts, often seeking to understand the underlying issues before responding. They may view conflict as an opportunity for deepening understanding rather than a battle to be won. In relationships, blending these approaches can lead to more comprehensive resolutions, where immediate concerns are addressed, while also considering deeper, underlying dynamics. 4. Communication styles. The communication styles between alpha males and sigma personalities also differ significantly. Alphas are often straightforward and assertive in their communication, valuing clarity and directness. They may become impatient with ambiguity or indirectness. Sigmas, known for their introspective nature, communicate in a more nuanced and considered manner, often taking time to articulate their thoughts fully. This difference can lead to misunderstandings in relationships if not managed with care. Effective communication between alphas and sigmas requires a willingness to adapt and understand each other's styles, fostering an environment where both direct and reflective communications are valued and respected. 5. Emotional expression. When it comes to emotional expression, alpha males may find it challenging to show vulnerability, often feeling a need to maintain a facade of strength and control. This can hinder the deep emotional connection necessary for a fulfilling relationship. Sigma personalities, comfortable in their introspection, are typically more in tune with their emotions and more willing to express vulnerability. This openness can encourage a deeper emotional bond, offering a space for alphas to explore and express their emotions more freely. Balancing emotional expression in such relationships involves creating a safe space for vulnerability, where both partners feel supported and understood. 6. Relationship goals and priorities. Alpha males often have clear, defined goals for their relationships, seeking partners who align with their ambitions and lifestyle. They view relationships as an integral part of their life plan, where compatibility extends to shared objectives and future plans. Sigma personalities may approach relationships with a more flexible perspective, valuing personal growth and emotional connection over specific outcomes. They seek partnerships that respect their need for independence and personal space. For these dynamics to harmonize, both partners must communicate openly about their goals and find common ground that respects both the alpha's desire for direction and the sigma's need for autonomy. 7. Independence versus interdependence. The balance between independence and interdependence is a crucial dynamic in relationships involving alpha males and sigma personalities. Alpha males, while valuing strong partnerships, may lean towards leading and making decisions that benefit the relationship as a unit. Sigmas prioritize their independence within the relationship, seeking a partnership that respects their autonomy. Finding a balance requires negotiation and compromise, where the alpha learns to value the sigma's need for space, and the sigma appreciates the alpha's inclination towards building a shared life. 8. Adaptability and change. Adaptability in the face of change varies between alpha males and sigma personalities. Alphas may prefer stability and control, finding comfort in predictable structures within the relationship. Sigmas thrive on change and adaptability, seeing it as an opportunity for growth and exploration. This difference can become a source of tension or a foundation for growth, depending on how each partner perceives and reacts to change. Embracing each other's perspectives on change can lead to a dynamic relationship where both stability and growth are valued, creating a partnership that is resilient and adaptable to life's inevitable fluctuations. These points illustrate the rich tapestry of dynamics present in relationships involving alpha and sigma personalities, and the desire for stability with the need for change. In the dance of relationships, where the alpha's assertiveness meets the sigma's introspection, lies a rich tapestry of experiences that challenge, enrich, and transform. This mysterious convergence, marked by both tension and harmony, invites us to look beyond the surface, to appreciate the depth and diversity of human connections. As the final curtain falls on our exploration, we are left with a deeper appreciation for the beauty of these dynamics, a beauty that lies in the balance of strength and vulnerability, independence and partnership, tradition and innovation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and watch this one as well. Thanks for watching.